Welcome today in front of me HardReset, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go into the phone application and then tap on the three icons or more icon. Just tap here to blocked, and here tap to the settings icon. Here we got the blacklist, so tap there, and as can you see here we got the three contacts from our on our blacklist. So now we can just unblock the one from this number. So just tap on this, hold for a while this number, and this number will select it. And for example, we can remove this number by tap here to remove again. And as can you see, we just stay only with two numbers in our block list. And if you want to just remove again one icon, just tap there. And if you want to just remove all your contacts from the block list, tap here to select all. As can you see, we just got selected these two items, and just tap here to remove and confirm to remove. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.